Together, we will bring justice back to the people.
By an emperor who couldn't bother to come himself.
Incredible! I've never heard of a Karatnoth herd this big before.
One of them's got big spikes on its back.
He called himself a ghost, but
He found a way back from the beach just so he could kill us.
he said he came back to get revenge on you and me.
Hey, brother. Did you miss me?
I mean, sure, you get your mega fans,
You are like literally my favourite person.
your haters,
It's like a fan club, but we hate you.
your chancers, and the occasional giant toad, for some reason. But it's more than that.
You look in the bed and somebody be gone. That don't have no mercy in this land.
Shaking bones. Been a while. So, you remember that favor you owe me?
That's where we always meet. Hiding in the shadows where we don't belong. Living in the darkness to hide our wrong. You and me.
There was a girl I knew. She said she cared about me. She tried to make my world the way she thought it should be. Yeah, we were desperate then to have each other to hold, but love is a long, long road. Yeah, love is a long, long
Well, look who's back. The only way we're gonna get through this is by sticking.